I wanna be the little small wizard when I grow up. Sorry. If you've never seen it before, I have no other way to describe what he's doing. He's just doing little wizard things. Whoa! Is Nerissa here? Hi, Nerissa. Hi. Sorry, I couldn't see your message because I'm from gaming, but I love you! Nerissa love! The sounds of me kissing you. Nerissa. No one else. Close your ears if your name is not Nerissa. They were Nerissa kisses. Now the sound of your head getting chewed on? No, they're kisses. Chomp? Crunchy. I hope you're having a good day today.